New 4G elderly phone with flip dual screen and base charging volt phone. Uniwa V909T 2.8-inch dual screen volt flip 4G feature phone. 1. Purple light genre T107 CPU. 2. Supports 4G LTE networks. 3. 0.3 MP rear camera. 4. 2250 mAh large battery. 5. 2.8 1.77-inch dual screen. 6. Classic flip design. The new 4G elderly phone is a thoughtfully designed mobile device tailored for seniors, combining simplicity, reliability, and modern connectivity. Featuring a flip design with dual screens, this phone is user-friendly, with large, clear displays and tactile buttons for effortless operation. It supports 4G Volt, ensuring crystal-clear voice quality and fast connectivity. The base charging dock adds convenience, allowing for easy charging without fiddling with cables.